Hello reptile enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the Black Roughneck Monitor, a captivating and unique lizard species that adds a touch of intrigue to your reptile collection. But before we delve in, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. The Black Roughneck Monitor, scientifically known as Varanus rudicollis, is a large and impressive species of monitor lizard native to Southeast Asia. These monitors are recognized for their distinctive appearance, characterized by a robust build, rough scales, and a dark coloration that ranges from deep black to dark brown. The roughneck name is derived from the prominent, rugged scales along the neck and back, adding to their unique visual appeal. These monitors are known for their arboreal nature, often utilizing trees for shelter and climbing. Native to countries such as Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia, the Black Roughneck Monitor primarily inhabits tropical rainforests and adjacent areas. They are skilled climbers, utilizing their strong limbs and sharp claws to navigate trees and vegetation in search of prey and shelter. While they are formidable hunters, feeding on a diet of small mammals, birds, insects, and eggs, they are also known for their shy and elusive behavior in the wild. The Black Roughneck Monitor's combination of size, distinctive appearance, and arboreal habits makes it a noteworthy species in the rich biodiversity of Southeast Asian ecosystems. They thrive in a spacious enclosure with appropriate temperature and UV lighting. Monitors are opportunistic carnivores, so their diet consists of a variety of insects, rodents, and other small prey items. Maintaining proper temperature gradients, offering a basking spot, and providing ample hiding spots for security are crucial for their well-being. Black Roughneck Monitors are relatively high maintenance and require a dedicated keeper with experience in caring for large reptiles. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of reptiles. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your reptile collection thrive, and may your encounters with the Black Roughneck Monitor bring intrigue and natural beauty to your reptile keeping adventures. Farewell and happy reptile keeping.